This tutorial video is only for the DEO users. We will show you how to apply for tool grant scheme. Before we start, it is essential to understand the claim process. First, DEO will apply the claim. Second, ALC will verify the claim application. Third, NBOCWWB office will process the claim. Finally, on approval the payment will be disbursed. In order to claim the tool grant, beneficiary must fulfill the eligibility criteria. You may pause the video and check the eligibility criteria. Let's start with the claim. Navigate to Claims. Click on Claim Tool Grant button. Select the financial year. Enter claim date. Enter the appropriate remarks. All the beneficiaries eligible for tool grant will be listed. This is automatically checked by the system as per the eligibility criteria. Use the checkbox to either select all the beneficiaries or single beneficiary as per your requirement. Once the selection is done, click on the Submit button to apply the claim. Click Yes and confirm it. That's it. The claim is successfully applied. Navigate to Claims. Select the claim application to edit. From Options, click on Edit button. Please note that you can only edit the remark and beneficiary list. If the claim application status is applied. If the claim is in verified or approved status, edit option will not be available. Edit applied successfully. Navigate to Claims. Select the claim application. From the options, click on View. Click the Edit button under the remarks. Enter your remarks. Check the consent box, and click on Confirm. Remark successfully added. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.